Good morning, Year 4. This is your first comprehension video, so I need you to listen very carefully to what I'm about to say. So, you will have been sent home your learning packs, and in those learning packs, you will have had 3 books. One of them is your comprehension book. Okay, now some of you will have different year groups on them. So, if you have the Year 1 comprehension book or the Year 2 comprehension book, this video is the one that you need to watch. If you have the Year 3 or the Year 4 one, there will be a different video that you will need to watch in order for you to be able to complete your comprehension task for today. Okay, so if you've got the Year 1 comprehension book, it will say Year 1 and it'll have a cheeky little octopus on the front. Now, to begin with, you will open to the contents page, okay? And for today, you need to find page 2, and your task is called Playtime. So I will turn to page 2, and I know it's page 2 because it'll say in the top corner there, page 2, okay? So I know it's the right one because the title is Playtime. And the first thing I will do is read the sentences at the top because that is what's going to tell us what we need to do today. Okay? So it says, look at this picture of a park. Draw a ring around the 4 things that do not belong. Now, have a quick think about what that sentence means. What doesn't belong? So it could be something that you would not find in a playground or a park, okay? And your task is to look very carefully at the picture to see what you might find in a park and what you might not find in a park, okay? So I can see straight away, I'll give you a clue on the first one. I can see straight away that there is an octopus up in the park. Can you see him there? Up there. There's an octopus in the park. Now I know an octopus does not live in the park because I've seen them in the water when I go to visit the Sea Life Centre or when I watch Our Planet on the TV. They live in the sea. So I don't think we'd find an octopus in the park. Okay, so your job is to find the other 3 objects that do not belong in the park. Okay, now if you're stuck, you can send us an email on the Year 4 email account that we have. And when you've finished your work, you'll need to send us a photograph of your comprehension page that you have done with your answers so we can give you some feedback about what you have done. Okay. And what you can do is after you've had the feedback, you can actually mark on underneath whether you found all 4 things and how you felt about it. Okay. So if you've got the Year 1 book, that's the activity that you'll be doing today. Okay. Now, if you've got the Year 2 one, it should have a monkey on the front. So have a quick look to see if you've got the Year 2 one and it'll have the monkey. Okay? And again, I've opened it to my contents page. Okay? And the same goes for this one. So if you've got the Year 2 book, you'll be looking to find the page that's got the title, How to Grow a Seed. And I can see that it's page 2. So you're going to want to turn your page until you find page 2, okay? And I'm going to check that it's the right page. And I can see that it is because the title says How to Grow a Seed, okay? Now you've got a little bit of writing and some pictures there. And they're pictures of a seed that's growing, okay? So it says, put the seed in the soil. Make sure you water it. Put the plant in sunlight. Don't let it get too hot or cold. Okay, so they're the sentences that you'll be reading. You might need to read it through a couple of times just to check that you understand what it's saying. And then you've got 5 questions that you need to answer. So the first 2, it says put a circle around the correct answer. So on this section, you've got some sentences that you need to complete. So for number 1, it says plants grow in. And then you've got 3 choices, soil, sugar or salt. Okay? And you need to circle which one you think it is. Okay, and if you need help, you can go back to the text at the top, and I can see that it says put the seed in the soil. So I might be looking for the word soil to help me with that question. For my second one, it says place the plant somewhere dark, sunny, or cold. So you're going to have to go back through to the text again and find the sentence that tells you where the plant grows and what it needs in order to grow. And that will give you the answer to question 2. Now for 3, 4 and 5, it says write true, so something that's correct, or false, so something that's wrong for each sentence. So for question 3, it says a plant grows into a seed. Now you'll have to read the text again and you'll have to look at the pictures and they will tell you the answer. So you will then choose to write true or false. Okay? Question 4, seeds need water to grow. So again, you can have a look at the pictures, read the sentences and choose whether it's true or false. And you're going to write true or false on the line after these sentences. Okay? Number 5, a seed grows best if it is very hot. Again, find the sentence where it talks about the weather and the temperature that the plant needs in order to grow. Okay? And the same with you guys. When you've done it, take a photograph and send it us on our Year 4 email when you have done it. So on Monday, you will need to have done page 2. So how to grow a seed or playground, and you will need to send us a photograph on Monday, so today, of this for us. Okay, so we can mark it and check that you've got the right answers. Okay, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, Year 4, and don't forget, if you do have any questions, please send us an email.